Take customer service to a higher level and maintain that excellence with Avaya IP Office Advanced Edition. Help your agents quickly and efficiently serve your customers while helping your business measure, track, and optimize agent performance and gain valuable customer intelligence. Know that your customers are getting the best service by giving your supervisors instant, accurate information on call queues, wait times, agent status, and more. You can also measure current and historical performance with a browser-based reporting tool that creates customized reports of the highs and lows of call handling. Then, if you need to optimize how calls are handled, IP Office provides simple tools to route calls more efficiently to different agents, groups, or even locations. You can also create a friendly rivalry among your customer service agents by giving them a desktop view of the important information you want them to see. When call volumes exceed capacity and it's impossible to answer calls promptly, IP Office enables you to customize how you handle those calls. You can give callers their position in the queue, estimate their expected wait time, encourage them to leave a message, and more. Providing comfort messages can result in fewer dropped calls, better customer experience, and greater sales. With IP Office, you can create automated menus for commonly asked questions, so customer service reps receive only the calls that merit personal attention. You can also capture new revenue by automating order placement and tracking outside of normal business hours. Automated menus provide customers the information they need while focusing agents on high-priority tasks. With flexible call recording from IP Office, you can record every call an agent receives, a random selection, or record calls on demand. Retrieval is easy from any PC by searching recordings by date, time, or extension number. By reviewing archived call recordings, agents and supervisors can quickly resolve issues and adjust marketing offers. Plus, supervisors will be better able to guide agent effectiveness to ensure quality customer interactions and maximum sales. Differentiate your business. Gain greater customer intelligence to deliver exceptional customer service with Avaya IP Office.